On the wee hours of 16 January 2025, when most people were sleeping peacefully in Bandra, one of Mumbai's most vibrant and elite suburbs, a man sneaked into the compound next to Saif Ali Khan's building, Sadhguru Sharan. Quiet and swift, he scaled the wall and at 1:38 am, he used the fire escape stairwell to enter Saif's flat on the 11th floor of the building. He entered the room of Saif's youngest child, Jay. Jay's nanny, Ilyama Philip, who was sleeping with him, said she woke up hearing a strange noise around 2 am. She assumed it was Jay's mother, Kareena Kapoor Khan, checking on her son. But just a few minutes later, she sensed something suspicious and got up. Nani Junu was also in the room with Philip. Philip said, "I saw the shadow of a man wearing a cap and became nervous. He came out of a bathroom and walked towards Jay Baba's bed. So I immediately went to Jay Baba. Seeing her move, the man in the cap signaled her to stay quiet. She asked him what he wanted. He said 1 crore rupees. Philip said when she tried to get the child, the man marched towards her with a stick in his left hand and a sharp weapon in the other hand. He then attacked her, leaving her fingers and right wrist injured. While she was dealing with the attacker, the other Nani Junu ran out of the room and raised an alarm. After which, Saif and Kareena and their eldest son Taimu's nanny Geeta came into the room. When Saif intervened to control the situation, the intruder attacked and stabbed him 6 times. He also attacked Geeta. Philip revealed that Saif and Geeta managed to overpower the man, and all of them left the room, shutting it from outside. When the family's other employees woke up, they went to check the room only to realize that the intruder had escaped. CCTV footage later revealed that he left the building at around 2:33 am. One of the staff members at Saif's residence called his eldest son Ibrahim. Within moments, Ibrahim arrived and rushed his father to Lilavati Hospital in an auto rickshaw with the knife still sticking in his body.
सैफ अली साहब का जब हॉस्पिटल आए थे तो मैं वो डॉक्टर था जो उनको फर्स्ट आवर में मिला हूँ. पूरा उनका उसमें ब्लड था, बट ही वॉकड इन लाइक अ लायन.
Saif was taken to the ICU and underwent a surgery to remove the knife and repair the leaking spinal fluid.
फिल्मों में हीरोगिरी करना वो सब ठीक है, बट ये घर में आपके ऊपर कोई अटैक हो रहा है एंड आप एज अ हीरो यू हैव एक्चुअली एक्टेड एंड यू हैव कम आउट with such a thing.
Saif was said to be out of danger.
He is doing presently very well. His parameters have improved. He is being shifted from ICU to a special room for him.
The Mumbai police registered a case based on the complaint from Philip under sections of robbery, trespassing and grievous hurt caused while committing lurking house trespass. Initial investigation suggested that the attacker knew the layout of the apartment, which led the police to suspect that someone inside might have hit him. The investigation was still underway at the time of publishing this report.